It starts with the ache, then the fog, then the exhaustion. Welcome to the first part of our 10-part series on navigating life with fibromyalgia. If you've ever felt like your body is fighting a war against itself, then you are absolutely in the right place. So many of us feel this way, and I want you to know you're not alone. Doctors are fantastic at treating the physical body, but for those of us who walk a more spiritual path, we know there's more to healing. We treat the spirit. But how on earth do you cast a protective circle when you can't even get out of bed? How do you raise energy when you feel utterly depleted? This is the core question we're going to explore together. The very first, and perhaps most difficult, step on this journey is acceptance. Fibromyalgia works in cycles, much like the moon. We have our good days and our bad days, our periods of energy and our flare-ups. Trying to fight a flare-up to push through that overwhelming pain and exhaustion is like trying to hold back the ocean tide with your bare hands. All it does is drain your battery even faster, leaving you with nothing. Acceptance isn't about giving up. It's about working with your body's natural rhythm instead of against it. It's about conserving your precious energy for when you truly need it. Let's reframe how we think about our magic. Your magic doesn't have to be a loud, dramatic ritual with chanting and dancing. It doesn't need grand gestures. Your magic can be quiet, gentle, and just as powerful. It can be found in the simple, intentional act of holding a crystal, like amethyst or rose quartz, and focusing on its soothing energy. It can be in a whispered affirmation. Your body isn't broken. It's incredibly sensitive. It's attuned to energies that others might miss. This sensitivity is a source of your power, not a weakness. Over the next 9 videos in this series, we are going to build a magical toolkit specifically designed for the challenges of living with a chronic illness. We'll dive deep into practical magic that you can use every single day. We'll explore gentle herbs that can help clear the infamous fibro fog. We'll look at specific crystals and how to use them to manage pain. And I'll even share some simple but effective sleep spells to help you get the restorative rest your body craves. This isn't about finding a magic cure. It's about creating a supportive practice that works with your illness, not against it. We're building resilience, one small spell at a time. Living with chronic pain can be an incredibly lonely experience. It's so easy to feel isolated, like nobody understands what you're going through. That's why community is so important. If you know someone who is struggling with fibromyalgia or any chronic pain condition, please consider sharing this series with them. Recommend the channel. The more of us who come together, the more we can support each other, share our wisdom, and heal together. You never know who might need to hear this message today. So, what's next? In our very next video, we are going to tackle one of the most frustrating symptoms of all, the brain fog. We'll look at magical and mundane ways to bring clarity back to your mind. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Blessed be.